What is going on, everybody? We have a new PC today and a new build that is all done and finished. We're looking at the HeightY60, and I mean, man, thoughts on this PC is definitely one of the nicest PCs that I think are currently, when it comes to cases, currently in the game, when it just comes to displaying, the everything in your components inside your PC. The O11 Dynamic does a great job with it as well. I love the Fractal Torrent just for the thermals that you get. It has some of the best thermals, but man, the HeightY60, you just can't. In my opinion, it is definitely a showcase for your components. And we got a 4090 and a fish tank here. Cable mod build, so we have specific 12 volt cables for the 4090 and the 24 pin. I ended up going with the 144 millimeter fans for the side intake and the bottom intake as well. But I mean, man, it's I'm really enjoying this build, so loving it so far. And a little Silver Surfer pop on a floating or a rotating platform. Throw a little bit more chrome silver in there. That's the theme of my case specifically, but yeah, been loving it. So there you guys have it. That's the new build. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in the HeightY60 and what you plan on putting in it, and if you got any questions in regards to this build or anything else, please feel free to post in the comments. All right, later.